Guys, we're getting ready to go zip lining.
Come join us.
Let's go.
Well, passport doesn't matter.
Guys, we're getting ready to sign our life away before we go on the zip lines. I'm a little nervous.
So as you guys can see, there's a great view of the volcano, and over here to my right is a great view of the Arenal Lake.
Are you sure you're going to be back there?
Of course! So, are you nervous being, I don't know, 6,000 feet above the rainforest and going to go 9,000 miles an hour?
It's terrifying.
I just saw an 83-year-old lady do it. Oh my God, the views are unfreaking believable. And the speed, I was going like 9,000 miles an hour.
That's incredible. Increíble.
So how'd you like it?
Qué bien. Qué increíble. ¿Le gusta? Did you like it?
Yeah! Can I go do that one over again?
Did you look around?
Yeah!
Isn't that neat?
Great tour. You guys are definitely going to miss out if you come to Costa Rica. Actually, you shouldn't come to Costa Rica without trying one of these tours.
Yeah, it's beautiful. You see the footage. That speaks for itself. I'm Michael Allen.
And I'm D'Angelo for TravelCostaRicaNow.com.
Peace, guys. Hope it helps.